Hello, my lovely lovelies. So today we are creating the easiest press-on nails ever. These are my sister's dream nails. Well, technically they're not actually her dream nails. They're just nails that I forced her to send me a picture of. So yeah, let's just say my sister's dream nails for now. And this will be a episode 1 of I'm talking too much now. Okay, this will be episode 1 of what she wanted versus what she got. Sorry about that. Excuse me. So I already pre-measured out these square press-on nails because I wanted to cut them and I wasn't really sure how to cut them, but I thought this was a good enough length. So I think, yeah, that looks pretty good, right? Right? Yeah. So I just figured that I would cut them with the scissor, and I think it worked out. I was planning on, yeah, just like cutting it barely at the edge, not exactly on the point, because I was scared that maybe, because this is literally my first time cutting tips with a scissor. Because I don't know what I did with my tip cutters. I literally just threw them away because I thought I'd never need them, but look at me now. Okay, so yeah, pretty straightforward. I'm cutting them to size, and then I didn't want to bore y'all, so I just skipped ahead and now I'm sticking them on. And I'm probably not going to show everything, but I wanted to show y'all that you need to like press down the blue tack. I don't know what it is, but anyway, I decided that I'm gonna I can't talk. Anyway, I just thought I was gonna buff these off camera, but then I wanted to show you guys how I buff them. This is literally the most annoying part for me, and I like buffing it off the table because I don't like my dust getting on the table, because you guys know dust and gel do not mix. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all because I know you guys want to see, and you're gonna be like, oh, you didn't buff them. But anyway, yeah. Okay, so I cleaned off my desk, because you gotta clean up your desk, obviously. So yeah, there's a lot of skipping, and finally let's do the actual art. So I'm using this Cover Pink. It's literally just an extension hard gel from Voice of Calypso in this pretty pink nude color, and I'll be using typical oval. Is that oval? That look like an oval. Okay, round gel brush, and of course I'm gonna clean it off. And because this is quite a sheer nude, I will be doing 2 coats, but I'm probably only going to show 1 coat on camera. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. This, like I said, this is literally the easiest and the cutest, considering the amount of work you need to do. This is like the cutest paying off and yet so simple nail design that literally looks good on anybody if you find the right Cover Pink. Oh my god, yes. And this literally, because I do extensions on people, this literally is the one color that everybody always goes to. And not only because it's the only color I have, but it's literally that pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys watch. Maybe I'm gonna come back for the teeny bit of nail art, which is like painting on the hearts, but that's pretty much it. Please enjoy the music. Yeah. Okay, so that's the first coat done. I'm gonna do the second coat off camera, but before that, I have to hold it upside down. This is a trick that I learned by watching Russians do their manicures. You know how sleek and perfect their manicures always are. By turning them upside down, the gel drops down to the center and it creates that perfect arch, you know, to keep its structure and everything. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys the difference between one coat and two coats. The opacity is quite different, so yeah. Oops. My crabby hands. Okay, so I'm done with doing the two coats, and now we're gonna move on to nail art, the little cute hearts. So I will be using the thinnest nail art liner brush that I have, and I'm gonna clean it off as well because it's got some cuticle oil on it, and a teeny tiny dotting tool. So now I couldn't really decide whether I wanted neon pink, which is this color, which is really, really pretty. I don't know if it's neon pink or it's a magenta, but it looks like a neon pink in real life. Or this really, okay, not really light, but this lighter version of the pink that I mixed up a few days ago. So I decided, you know what? If I can't decide, I'm gonna just put one on each hand. And yeah, that's what I decided to do. I don't know, you guys tell me which ones you think look better. You're gonna see at the end which ones look cuter. So hearts pretty simple, pretty simple. And if I show you how I did this in real time, you would be shook, because I don't know whether I'm a snail or I'm a sloth, but your girl was taking her time. But anyway, it's really simple. You just put 2 dots, as I'm doing here, and I opted to put 2 dots on all of them so I know exactly where they're going to sit on each nail. And then make sure that you don't put them too close together, because you know how gel is, especially if you put too much gel on your dotting tool. They're gonna end up like sticking together, and it's gonna become a butt. It's not gonna be a heart, it's gonna be a butt. So yeah, and then you take your liner brush and you just draw a teeny tiny triangle, and you join the circles with the triangle, and voila, it's a pretty heart. And I'm only going to show you this on, you see what I mean by it looks like a butt. It's a butt. It's pretty much a butt. Okay, I'm going to stop talking about butts now. But yeah. I think I started this one over again because I wasn't happy with it. Was it that one and that one? Yeah. The butts. But anywho, okay, pretty straightforward. Again, 2 dots. Make sure they're not too close to each other. Don't put too much gel on your dotting tool. Take your time. Take your sweet time. If you want these to be cute and pretty, you best take your sweet time. Yeah. Again, just drawing kind of like a triangle and connecting the 2 dots, and it comes out really cute, and it's a symmetrical heart because your girl cannot draw a heart for shite, for lack of a better word. But yeah, this is like I said, these are like literally the easiest. You could do this with nail polish if you wanted to. So yeah, enjoy the show. I think we're almost done. I'm gonna repeat this on the other set with the darker color, but I'm probably gonna do 2 coats because that darker pink is not as opaque as this pink. And yeah, I'll come back and we'll do top coat together, or you'll enjoy the show. You see, I'm trying to separate those cheeks, okay, because the heart did not want to listen to me, period. So here she is, cutes and cutes. Okay, now before y'all say anything, you know when you go on Instagram and you be watching people put on their top coat so like fancy, and I was like, let me try. And honestly, this is my favorite part of the entire thing. Literally. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Enjoy the show because we're almost done. Can I just say these are literally the cutest things I've ever seen? Okay, I'm done talking now. Bye. Ooh, these look so cute. I'm not sure which ones I like better. Honestly, I don't know whether I like the dark pink or the light pink. I'm leaning towards the light pink. You guys should tell me what you think. And oh my god, look at these. These are so pretty. My voice is even breaking. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Okay, bye.